As we head into the weekend, icy conditions could potentially cause power outages, creating a need for generators. News 13's Morgan Baker spoke with the Myrtle Beach Fire Department to get some generator safety tips. And Morgan, what did they have to say?
Trish, I spoke with Myrtle Beach Fire Department's public information officer, who says using a generator safely is key to protecting both life and property. Myrtle Beach Fire Department PIO, Captain John Evans, says one of the biggest mistakes he sees is with refilling generators, as people won't turn it off or won't wait long enough for it to cool down, which can cause a fire.
We've seen some deaths happen to this, some major burns happen with this, so just let it cool down. Let it, especially in an ice storm, it's not going to take long for that to happen before we refill it.
Evans says another concern with generators is carbon monoxide poisoning, as carbon monoxide is a product of combustion, so anything that burns causes carbon monoxide risk. Evans says this is why it is important to keep the generator outside and at least 15 to 20 feet away from the home, as having the generator close to the house or inside elevates the risk of exposure.
It may not be evident right away that it is affecting you until you're starting to feel nauseous, you're starting to get flushed. It could cause you to pass out, and that's worst case scenario, but that's why we try to keep those things away.
Evans says another thing to consider is how much your generator can handle. He says it is important to check the owner's manual to ensure you're not exceeding the wattage level the generator can safely sustain.
I'd say use what you need for the generator, those life issues. You know, if it's just because you want to watch the football game this weekend and you lost power, well, that's not the best, thing. So try to understand how much your generator can support versus what you need that for.
For more generator safety tips from Evans, you can head to our website, WBTW.com. Live in Myrtle Beach, Morgan Baker, News 13.